You know those old typewriters you sometimes find in your attic, the ones covered in dust and nostalgia? I found one last week, and it's been writing stories on its own. At first, I thought it was some elaborate prank, but then a story popped out predicting Mrs. Thompson's freak accident at the bakery. The next day, she was found with her neck snapped by a heavy bag of flour. I tried to ignore it, but the typewriter wouldn't stop. Each news story detailed a gruesome death in my neighborhood, Mr. Green impaled by his own garden rake, little Timmy drowning in his kiddie pool. I decided to destroy it, but the typewriter typed faster, keys clattering like a heartbeat. This morning, it spat out one last story, predicting my own death tonight. The final line reads, "He will try to destroy the typewriter, but the shadows will claim him first." I can already feel the room growing colder, and the shadows around me aren't staying still.